All right, let's talk about the cup of the day. This is a cup from Marble Canyon Lodge, which is up by the north rim of the Grand Canyon. It's interesting to get to the Grand Canyon from the south rim of the Grand Canyon, south rim to north rim. The canyon is 10 miles across at the top, but to get from the south rim to the north rim, you have to drive about 215 miles because you have to go all the way around the southern end of the canyon to where you can get around the canyon and then go north. And it's gorgeous up there. The north rim is far prettier than the south rim. South rim is more accessible, but the north rim is in tall pines country, and it is absolutely lovely. And if you can get to the north rim of the Grand Canyon, there are 1/10 or less the number of tourists up there because it is quite inaccessible and it's a long, long drive to get up there. So everybody goes to the south rim. So anyway, it's the Marble Canyon Lodge coffee cup. Cup of the day. Isn't this pretty?
That's what I need. I need to be famous.
And what year is this?
This is 66.
66. A65. Isn't that pretty? This was in here when?
This was 2021. It was in here.
2021.
Yeah, you redid the ignition and redid the wiring.
Cool.
Yeah.
This is cute. I like it.
Uh,
A little screwdriver down there. I like that. All right. So we're back just to get it running again? It's been sitting?
it runs.
Uh-huh.
It's just the carbs need rebuilt.
Okay.
So that's really it. And replace the petcocks if we could.
All right. Okay, fine. Let's get it in the house.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me a story about this bike.
Yeah, so this bike was originally my dad's bike. It was something he picked up in the late 70s, sat around in our garage forever. Ended up getting sold. I got older and wanted to find out if the bike was still around, so I put in an ad on Craigslist. Arizona Republic ad, back when the paper was popular. Put an ad out, ended up finding the bike. It was out in Gilbert, still in the same condition. So I offered the guy some money and he took it. So I was able to get a bike that, you know, I seen growing up, and now I get to have it. I redid everything. My dad is a old custom painter. He did the tank.
Oh my.
You know, but it's a great bike.
Now he did the chop? He chopped it?
No, it was already hardtailed. I have pictures of it the way it looked before.
So he got it as a chopper.
But he got it as a chopper. Yeah.
Now who did he paint the frame? I mean, the frame is all molded.
No, I redid the frame. Some buddies of mine that are local here, Hafley Brothers, they do hot rods, but
Wow, they did beautiful work.
Yeah, they redid the frame for me.
Lovely work. Well, I'll be darned. It's neat to have a story.
Yeah.
It's a nice bike. It's a very good looking bike.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll get her running.
All right.
Okay, let's get her inside.
Yes, sir.
All right, isn't that a pretty thing? I rode choppers for years. And I love a stock bike. I do. It might be sacrilegious to chop a British bike, but check it out, guys. There I am. 1975, World of Wheels in my chopped Triumph. That's a 1970 Triumph. I've got 5 brothers. We all rode choppers, all one big Del Monte gang. So, I do choppers. I did choppers. I had a ball. So, anyway, I'm going to go inside and post a couple of videos. And that is the way it is.